Hey UNH, welcome to my dorm room. I live in Holland. It's one of the Cirques. It's super cool living here. It's quiet and it's kind of secluded from the rest of campus, but you can still easily get to places that you need to be. We have our beds set up like this. You can loft your bed and you can also have it de-lofted.
I live in a suite, so that means there are two doubles connected by a singular shared bathroom. So in here is the door to our bathroom. So in Holland, we are living in a suite style, which means we get our own bathroom, which is so convenient. So in here we have our shower space. And then on my desk, I have all my books. And then I really recommend just throwing up some things that you love on your desk to, keep you motivated. Above my desk is where I keep the TV. So I really recommend having a TV in your room. It's great for all your friends to sit around, watch a movie. We also have a Wii, which is so fun. We love to play Mario Kart and Just Dance.
This is our record player. We brought it because my roommate and I have a lot of CDs and records that we like to put on. And it just makes it feel very homey and rustic, which I like. And I think decoration and having things that you love is super important to making your dorm room feel like home.